Agatin chitap kalenjin eng uitugul ole imitei itagat eng tetutieng'ung nebo tililindo. Kainenyu ko Chesankaro Sirma ak kabarastaindet nekimitei tuwai eng oretab kabarunet ko Naomi Cherotich. Kitaune logoiwekchok kebeberta noto nebo county nebo Kericho ole kayai tuyet nebo cheng'etab koyonchinet konyoik chemitei eng kibagengeitab Kenya Union of Clinical Officers eng emoni ak sirikab county nebo Kericho kondochin Governor Dr. Eric Mutai ko oret noto nebo kiit let kangelelchinetab boisiet netesetai konyoichoto eng sipitalisiek chebo county nebo Kericho. Kosubkei ak clinical officers chotok kondochin sirindet neo eng Kenya Union of Clinical Officers George Gibore kale kakoityin ak county ole kotinygei nguno kotinygei ng'alalet nebo kitelel kangelelchinet boisiet. Kinyoru sirindenyo Tesiel county Kericho ak logoiwechuto eng koindo.
Kong'alale kokaibata tuyet nekayai kanyoik chebo kibagengeitab Kenya Union of Clinical Officers komwa Governor nebo Kericho Dr. Eric Mutai kole kayai ng'alalet en magutikab kanyoichoton miten en kangelelchinetab boisiet en county nebo Kericho.
Kakesign an agreement ako kakekoshine en lebeletaitage kasit kiboitinik choton. Kit agenge nekakikoshine ko kiboitinik kyok chekibore Universal Healthcare. Amwoni kongoi president angamun kokon rabisiek keconfirmen daktari choton. Amache amwoi biik kyok chebo Kericho ale daktari choton lagok choton chekwaket ko ngamun kokonin rabisiek president ko ngomi wiki nonyone komait tarikit 7 arawetab 8 ko kakikochi baronok daktari choton 12 on permanent and pensionable terms. Kang'alalen kora ng'alekab promotions daktari chu lagok kyok ako yan kanyor mushara chekororon kotoreti korik kyok ak kotoret emenyon. Kang'alalen kora ng'alekwak chebo promotion ak ne ako kakikoshine.
Kosubkei ak Dr. Mutai kokebun uinwek county noton kosubkei ak nekitomo kobois board nesire biik nebo Public Service Board nekimakat kosirta county assembly.
Biik kyok chebo Kericho amoche arorwok kityo ale kimakibuch kai tuguk chechang angamun kimakitinye kit nekikuren Public Service Board. Ongen tugul ole kichang borioshek ak terchinosiek chekimi Kericho. Ko kit agenge nekimakimuch kenyoru en komosin county assembly komakinyoru Public Service Board. For kenyisiek oeng komasire biik gavana nesire biik kekuren Public Service Board nepromoteni biik kekuren Public Service Board ko kikomamiten bichuton ko kiui ele kiyaitoi promotion kyan tugul lakini koit arawani konye kondochin Dr. Kipkemoi Ndereu ak amwoi kongoi amun konyokochakta en kasit nekiangongen andandan tomo kinyit members.
Kamwa sirindet neo en kibagengeit nebo Kenya Union of Clinical Officers en emoni George Gibore kole tuyonoton ko taunetab tetutikab ng'alalet ole kainde siet ak serikalitab county nebo Kericho kasyinetab keityi magutikwak ole tetat kotokyigei nguni kibagengeit a national asikokon takyinet.
We got an invitation from His Excellency the Governor. We came here this morning. We have had just one meeting. But I must assure you and assure the people of Kericho that we have largely agreed on all the issues. And the remaining part that we have is that we shall be able to embark or go back to our members and communicate the proposal that we are getting from the employer. And once agreed, if then they agree as we have agreed from our side, we shall actually sign a return to work and suspend the strike immediately. And that is very key. We, as a union, we have structures that we must engage. As we are seated here, we must take it back to those structures to make those approval. Because this was a national strike. If it was a county-based, actually we will have signed a strike notice today, a return to work immediately and suspended the strike immediately, as the governor had already highlighted. So I must say that we had issues touching on the CBA. We have signed, as you saw, we have executed on the CBA, and the county have now signed, paving way for implementation.
Mache kanyoik choton noti ko clinical officers siretab kanyoik katororet ak tesetab melekwek ole wikit nekosirto kokoityin county nebo Kericho kanyoik chenoti kou medical doctors en kasarta netesetai ng'alalet kora kanyoik chenoti kou nurses koboto ng'amutik chebo lab ak kerichek anan pharmacists en county noton.
The PNP, so that they can have security of tenure for their work. And we are happy that last year we went on strike looking for money. When money have been provided, currently their pay slip is now reflecting permanent and pensionable. And I think we have agreed that what is still pending is the aspect of now issuing them letters that are in tandem with what is appearing on their pay slips.
Kanerekyi Dr. Mutai alak en biikab emet chekoyai kambaget en wikit nekosirto konerekyin kangelelchinetab boisiet nebo kanyoik en akamwa kole manyol yautik chekoit kochut sipitalitab county referral.
Kit nekomoche kityo amwoi biikab Kericho angebune tuguchu amoche kityo amwa ale makararan ko ikipsingisinet anan ko chitab kalenjin inyenam daktariek anan inam biik chebo bororiet koyai maandamano kobo kowir sipitali ko kiteche bororiet ribe biik chebo kiyatenyo sipitali ko makosa inyena mwana siasa ilipan biik 500 ikoi biik 500,100 korwai sipitali ko kowir sipitali koba akoi theater kingomi yundo komi lagok angwanu chemi Nazareth ko kakorwai biik akoi yundo kobirote sirimbishek komiten lagok angwanu chemi Nazareth yani kakisich maite arawek mami makosa newo kosir noton.
Aripoteni logoiwekab emet chebo Kass kong'eten county nebo Kericho, kainenyun ko Robert Siele.
Ketesetai kokakotoi netelelchin lewenisiet eng emoni Independent Electoral and Boundary Commission IEBC tuiyosiek chebo boror anan public participation eng takchinetab keib keretab biik ak walet nenaat ko Election Campaign Finance Act. Ndochin ofisayek kobun IEBC county nebo Uasin Gishu nebo ofisit neo eng nganasetab Nairobi kokamwatet nebo commission kole nyolu kilitit oret nekiboisien eng campaigns eng takchinet nebo keker kele kanyor biik tugul boroindo nebo kobeljigei ng'echerok terter ama eng kaimutik chebo chepkondok. Yaror Timothy Kiplimo kong'ete Uasin Gishu County.
Kaindochi tuyonoto bo boror anan public participation Silas Rotich agenge en kiboitinik en commission netonondochin lewenisiet ak kiwoto en emoni nebo IEBC kole kamwa kole walutichoto naat ko Election Campaign Financing Act kotorchingei koker kole kanyor biik tugul kergeindo en yaetab campaigns ama kobun kaimutik kosubkei ak kimnatet nemiten ng'wony nebo rabinik.
The main aim ya hiyo sheria actually is just to bring an equal playing field for all aspirants, whether you want to run for MCA, MP, governor, up to president. So inasaidia ya kusema ukitazama zile parameters ambazo iko ya population na landmass, tukiweka kiwango fulani namna hii, kila mtu ambaye anataka kujileta kwa siasa anapata hiyo nafasi.
Pendi kotesetai tuiyosiek choto bo boror en counties cheterter chebo emoni ole pendi koibe IEBC keretab biikab boror kotinygei ak ng'atutionoto kotomo kosir report neng'wai nebo let ak kokoito kwo kot neking'ate ng'atutik en emoni ole angot kosirto bunge nebo emoni kowendi bill noto koeku ng'atutiet en lewenisiet neo nenyoni.
We have had this public participation today, which is still part of the process of drafting the regulations. So the Commission is doing over 10 public participations in different parts of the country today. That is part of creating awareness. But once these regulations are adopted and passed to be something that is going to be used, then there will be massive sensitization. We will now come out and sensitize the public through radios, through public barazas. We will use our constituency offices to then educate the public, educate the aspirants, and tell them this is what is available for use even as we prepare for the 2027 elections.
Kaikimit Rotich kole tesetai en oret nekararan chopchinetabgei nebo lewenisiet neo en kenyit nenyoni ole kamwa kole bendi kosubi ichek ng'atutik tugul asikoker kole kakiyai lewenisiet en oret netogunot en kebeberwek tugul chebo emet.
There is the Election Offences Act which has caught up with some of them. Those laws are still in operation. And this is just one additional piece of legislation that is going to enhance our electoral discipline. And we hope that as we move forward, we will get better as citizens, as aspirants, and as candidates.
Kong'eten nganaset nebo Eldoret en county nebo Uasin Gishu, logoiwekab emet chebo Kass TV, kanenyu ko Timothy Kiplimo.
Ketesetai ko kabay en committee netelelchin eng bunge nemoni ne Tinderet eng county nebo Nandi Julius Meli kokaboibochi kakwautik cheterterchin chebo kanaptaetab somanet tesetai kosuldae serikali Ruto eng ngololi karutechi sukulisiekab Torus eng kakwautik ak kawektaet ngoi ine kole kokomuch serikali president kosir kaitet neo nebo konetik eng emet koboto cheterterchin chebo bandab President Ruto neo nenyone nebo 2026 kinyoru sirindenyon kowechuta eng koindo.
And 2 term tutapatia Ruto kwa sababu kama walimu tumeajiri zaidi ya walimu 1,100, tunaenda kuajiri 20,000, wamewapatiwa promotion mwaka huu peke yake 2 billion shillings. On top of that, Mheshimiwa Rais ameweza kuajiri kupitia serikali yake walimu zaidi ya 3,000 ya TVET. Ara mjao moyo piga kayo. Lazima tujiandikishe tupatie rais free 2 term kwa sababu mambo ya SHA inaendelea. Hii constituency nimeweza kuajiri wale kinyo serikali kalega SHA. Sinivo. Ogase ngulo ogase ni kogone hospitali yetu Marabayu nebo 350 million. Saizi najenga hospitali Potopoto. Piga up temeli jamaa sema ngemile kubona na ndins. Anagobe ndo limba yini urene. Olimba metoli. Kimeje sub county hospital kano Potopoto. Na inajengwa saizi na serikali imetoa pesa 50 million shillings. Singi mingi nyone na deals yu go romi ngalengo lini ni ya yole ni Eldoret na nune. Lakini tunataka services ya serikali karibia nani? Wananchi, sivyo? So sasa zile serikali imetujengea kule Potopoto, wanajenga 350 million kule Maraba ni kwa sababu ya William Samoei Ruto. So ametoa somo wale tukate kura na tufanye hiyo kazi.
Serikali nebo biikab emet kotinye tutiyet ne kororonindo ak tuguk kororon nemakat